Okay, so this time if we want to look at the average value in our data set, but we want to have it a bit more broken down. So now we're going to look at the average height of the males and females in our group. And we can do this using an Excel command called AVERAGEIF. So what that does is it allows you to have some sort of condition that it checks for, and then it will only work out the average of the data points that hit that condition. So here we want to check column A, and if we want just the females, we check column A for if it says an F, and if it does, we then work out the average of what's in column F. So we start off our formula, so equals AVERAGEIF, then we have a bracket, and if you can see the first thing is the range, so we're going to want the whole of column A. So you can either select it by dragging down, or a bit quicker than that, you can just click the A button at the top and it picks out that entire column. Then we put a comma, and then the criteria, well, if we're looking for females, we're going to be looking for people with an F in that column. So we type it in with speech marks, so we type in speech mark F speech mark, and then we need another column, and we've got this third condition, which is the average range. Now we don't actually want to work out the average of column A because that's just a bunch of F's and M's and it won't make any sense. So we actually want the average range to be the height column. And again, you can either drag and select down, or you can just click the column at the top and it will select the whole of that column. Put in a bracket and press enter, and then we've got the average height, the mean height of all the females. And if we wanted the male's height, we do the same thing, AVERAGEIF, select the columns, then a comma, but this time we're looking for M in that column, select the F column for heights, put in bracket, and away we go. And we've got the two averages for the two different genders.